Hey there, my name is Justin from thecarflip.com. Thanks so much for checking out my YouTube channel. This channel is all about things car flipping, so you'll see everything from my daily flip, which is me letting you know what went on in my day, Monday through Friday. You'll also see repair videos, so some of them might be automotive repair, some of them might have to do with detailing the inside of a car or doing touch-up paint on the outside of a car, but most of the things you're going to see here are going to be specifically related to car flipping because that's what I do. I started out buying and selling a few cars on the side, and then it eventually morphed into what it is now, where I run an actual used car dealership outside of Raleigh, North Carolina. So that's where I'm at now. Wherever you are on your flipping journey, maybe you're just getting started out, maybe you think this is a good idea but you're not sure, and you happen to find this guy wearing a purple shirt on YouTube today, and so you think this is something interesting. It's definitely something that can take you a long way. It's the only thing I do for income right now. It's been really good for me and my family. I know it can be good for you. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you'd like to see more about me, you can go to thecarflip.com. That's going to show you everything that we have. Other than that, take a look at the channel, comment in the videos, subscribe to this channel, and I would love to see you interact so that I can interact with you.